How to fix Instagram feeds not working, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, click on it, go to apps, go here and type feeds. Now for stop it, go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, give it all the permissions that you can find here, and then go to data usage, make sure to turn on all of those network accesses, and then just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix it, just restart your phone or try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and or you can just reinstall the application. And I hope this can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.